The house looks fine at first glance, but look closer. Corners hide secrets, dust, grease, layers of time sitting quietly. Today we break it. Fast, simple tricks, no fancy tools, just real cleaning, real results. Welcome to Rustic Pantry, where spotless feels possible. 1. The power of preparation. Every spotless home begins long before the first scrub. It starts with a moment, a breath, a quiet scan of the room. You notice the mess, the hidden corners, the small dust trails on shelves. You don't rush. Not yet. Preparation is everything. Gather your tools like a pro setting the stage. Gloves, microfiber cloths, buckets, sponges, trash bags, everything within arm's reach. No running back and forth. That wastes time. Push furniture slightly away from walls. Suddenly, you see the dust that's been sitting there for months, maybe years. Windows open wide, fresh air pouring in. It changes the energy of the room. Light shifts. Now the house feels ready. And strangely, so do you. 2. Kitchen deep cleaning secrets. The kitchen, the heart of the home. Also the messiest battlefield. Oil splatters, sticky handles, crumbs hiding like little secrets. You begin with the sink, always the sink. Sprinkle baking soda like you're seasoning something fancy. Scrub in small circles. The gritty sound feels satisfying. Rinse with hot water. Steam rises. You wipe the faucet and it shines back at you. Move to the stove. Vinegar spray. Wait a few minutes. The grease starts to give up its fight. A single wipe and it's gone. Microwave next. A bowl of water with lemon slices. 3 minutes inside. Ding. You open it. The steam softens everything. 1 cloth swipe. Clean. Don't skip corners, under cabinets, edges near the floor. That's where grime hides. A clean kitchen doesn't just look good. It feels alive again. 3. Bathroom blitz. Fast but effective. Bathrooms can be tricky. Look small, but dirt hides everywhere. Start with the toilet. Cleaner in the bowl. Let it sit. Don't touch it yet. Spray the sink, shower walls, tiles. Let the cleaner soak in like it's doing the work for you. It actually is. Wipe mirrors with a quick squeegee stroke. No streaks left behind. For grout, it's war. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide mixed into a thick paste. Spread with an old toothbrush. Leave it 5 minutes. Then scrub lightly. Dirt lifts away like peeling old paint. Wrap a vinegar-soaked cloth around taps. Leave it there. Minerals dissolve quietly while you mop the floor. By the time you return, everything wipes clean like magic. Quick, sharp, done. 4. Living room refresh in record time. Living rooms pretend to be clean. Cushions arranged. Tables neat. But look closer. Dust on shelves. Fingerprints on remotes. Crumbs under the sofa. Start by picking up everything soft. Cushions, throws, rugs. Shake outside or vacuum deeply. The air fills with tiny dust clouds. Surfaces next. Microfiber cloth glides across tables, screens, stands. It picks up everything. No streaks. Baseboards get special attention. They love collecting dirt in silence. Vents 2. Curtains? Don't wash every time. A lint roller or vacuum works wonders. When you finally vacuum the floor, you catch all that fell earlier. Corners, under furniture, hidden spots. The room transforms. Not because it's decorated differently, but because it breathes again. 5. Bedroom deep clean beyond the sheets. Bedrooms fool you. They look tidy at first glance. Bed made, clothes folded, but underneath, dust reigns. Strip the bed bare. Sheets, pillow covers, duvet, all tossed into the wash with hot water. Let the machine handle that part. Meanwhile, nightstands get wiped down. Lamps cleaned. You crouch to peek under the bed. Dust bunnies. So many. Vacuum pulls them out like a storm. Flip the mattress. Sprinkle baking soda. Let sit. Smells trapped inside slowly disappear. Vacuum it again. Closets come next. Old clothes out. Shelves wiped. It's slow work but honest. When everything's back, the room feels lighter. Like it exhales too. 6. Quick tricks for windows and mirrors. Windows are storytellers. They show everything. Fingerprints, streaks, rain spots. You can't hide dirt on glass. Mix vinegar and water. Spray generously. Newspaper or microfiber. Circular motions. The glass starts to shine like it's brand new. Don't forget window tracks. People always forget those. Tiny bits of dirt and dead insects stuck inside. A toothbrush dipped in vinegar cleans them out quick. For mirrors, same method. Spray, wipe, buff. Suddenly, your reflection looks sharper. The light in the room changes completely. Clean glass isn't just clean. It changes how the entire room feels. 7. Speedy dusting for a spotless finish. Dusting is underrated. It's quiet work, but powerful. Start high, always. Ceiling fans, hanging lights, shelves. Work your way down. Dust falls. You follow. A slightly damp microfiber cloth traps everything. Dry dusters just move it around. For weird corners, attach a cloth to a broom handle. It works better than you'd think. Picture frames, electronics, vents, nothing escapes. A burst of compressed air clears keyboards in seconds. Room by room, slow but steady. By the end, the air feels cleaner. It even smells different. You can feel the difference when you breathe. 8. Floors, the final touch. Floors are the closing act, the grand finish. They've caught everything from above. Start with a careful vacuum, not rushed. Every edge, every corner, under the furniture too. For tiles or wood, grab a mop. Hot water, mild cleaner. One slow glide after another. The floor starts to shine like it remembers its original color. Steam mops make it faster. Carpets need a sprinkle of baking soda. 10 minutes. Then vacuum. Odor's gone. Texture revived. Pay attention to entryways. Dirt hides are the most. When floors are clean, the entire house shifts. It's like sealing the work you've done everywhere else. 9. Clever hacks with everyday items. You don't need a shelf full of expensive products. Not really. Lemon cuts grease. Vinegar dissolves buildup. Baking soda scrubs like a champion. Old socks on your hands become instant dust gloves. A lint roller saves the day for lampshades. Rubbing alcohol gives faucets a mirror finish. A little dish soap mixed with vinegar works better than some fancy sprays. These are quiet tricks. Simple, accessible. They turn cleaning into something smart. Not overwhelming, not expensive, just smart. 10. Maintaining the sparkle. Deep cleaning once is good, but maintaining it is gold. Daily wipes, weekly refreshes, monthly deeper sessions. That's the rhythm. After breakfast, a quick kitchen counter wipe. Bathroom sinks cleaned in seconds every morning. High traffic floors vacuumed twice a week. Baseboards and window tracks once a month. Little habits stack up quietly. Before you realize, the house stays clean without chaos. It doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent. And that's where the real magic happens. A spotless home isn't built in a single day. It's built in moments repeated over and over. And that's it. No stress, no heavy routines, just smart hacks, consistent moves. Your home deserves that quiet shine. If this helped you, stick around. More real tips, more deep cleaning stories. Only here on Rustic Pantry.